I think I have to make a video right now and make more clear about the Bible verses and Bible prophecies that revolving. And excuse me for my pimple, something that I put in my face. So those Bible verses that coming, if the child of man will come, it's already end of the world. And about the angel who betrayed, and all of the angels that betrayed, and the human race that came from Adam and Eve, not related to the angels that it came. So I will start from the angels that betrayed God and came here in this earth, then make us siblings with human beings. So it was mostly removed actually in the Bible, but was seen in the Enoch verses. So from my part, because I didn't know that I came here as angel to experience human being, I thought only has to save something. I volunteered actually. They are correct. They are saying the words which is you volunteered came here. I saw some people giving, those English people that giving messages, you volunteered here to come in this earth to help. Not actually help the human race, that I didn't know that one, or to be sacrificed to this part, to the purpose, but to help someone only. And that's a secret between the three of us, God, me, and I won't say who the third party is. I represent the angels that bear children to the human race. And my family, my mother, father, sibling, or bloodline represents the human race from Adam and Eve. And it really conflict because we know beyond more than the race of Adam and Eve. Their test is to accept the knowledge that coming to us, even though they believe it or not. Because human really don't believe that those words in the Bible really happened. Even though they believe that what happened to Abraham, Jacob, David, etc., the story, but they cannot believe the more beyond, that there are things that's happening, not only their story. From their example, from the story of Abraham, there are other situations that's happening between God and his angels. A conflict. You know, there's the movie which is 1 minute. There are a lot of things that happen, right? Not only one person is revolving in that story. We didn't realize those part. We didn't consider, but the story of that 1 minute only, that person, the starring, or the star of that story. But there are more stars, like your story, like the story of your mother, father, like the story of your sibling, like the story of the other people. Not only your story. So, my test also, as a human, so they are the chosen ones to give light. So, their test is to accept that human being has limited also. And because of the sins of those angels, we have to accept that we are the siblings of those angels that betrayed God and didn't follow the rightful well-being that God wanted for them. They think that God is selfish as the human beings is thinking also to God. As they say, because human from the race of Adam and Eve, we as the chosen ones are the ones who only elevate first. You have to understand. Because from the race of Adam and Eve, the more stronger which is revolving is hatred and hurt. That's why it comes with the ego and pride also. So they always give emotions with emotional crisis. We have to understand those as the one that elevated more and understand more as the chosen ones. We are the product of the sins of angel and human being that bore child. We have to accept that. That's a test also, if you already known. Because from the very beginning, people already said that the fault is from the angel that betrayed God, but didn't accept that God even made the angels not saying, "Are you okay? That I will make you as an angel?" As Adam and Eve, that God made them not having the concept that I will make you Adam and Eve. God knows that part, but He knows that we all can do it. We can unite as the product of the angel and product of Adam and Eve to come together and unite. That's why there is a purpose that they are saying right now. I am saying this as not a well-made story, but from the visions, memory, as being angel, and so a messages from the situations that is happening in my life, in surroundings, experiences, and messages of other people. Because there's really a big misunderstanding. That's why we called some birds flock together. Because in messages, even though you didn't mention their name, they will understand that they are being taught. How about if the messages is observed to the situations of others, not always the situations of my life, I can say, or that life. If you are observant and vigilant, so do you understand what's revolving in hatred and hurt? That's why there is a conflict and argument always. Will always come against. That's why there is a war also in physical. Because no understanding patient. And if you tell the truth to them, especially, they can't really, why human being from Adam and Eve cannot accept a truth. But always revolving in hatred, in hurt, additional ego and pride. We have also as the race of angel in human being. It's just that it's scrambled by God. That's why there is one family is different from them. To give change, but those other family didn't get it, but hurt and hatred.